Hello everybody, welcome back into another how-to tutorial, and today we're going to dive into a tool that can keep your life organized and on track. Use Google Calendar. So whether you are managing personal tasks, work meetings, or planning events, Google Calendar has got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up, maximize its features, and share some tips and tricks to make the most out of it. So let's get started with this video. So what is Google Calendar? Google Calendar is a free time management tool by Google. It's available on the web as an app on Android and iOS devices. It lets you schedule events, set reminders, and sync your tasks across all your devices. So how to access Google Calendar? You can just look it up here. We're just going to type Google Calendar in our search engine right here. Right there, we're just going to click this. Then we just open it right there. So we're back at the same page as I was before. So that's really easy to access. But on mobile, you do need to download the app, or you can just use the Chrome version. It depends on what you want. Then sign in with your Google account. So this is you do need Google account with this, but it's really easy to make a Google account. I think everyone has a Google account at this point. And to set up our calendar right here, once you're logged in, you'll see your main calendar view, which is this. Now, to create an event, you just need to click on the plus button right here. So let's say I want an event. Let's say I want it at 4 p.m. I'm gonna drag it here. Let's say I want to go to the gym. Then that would last for like 1 hour, so 4 to 5 p.m. Then after that, you can set up recurring event. If I want this to, repeat, if I want this to, every day I want to go to the gym, we can recur this one. So let's find it here. Time zone. We're gonna put this, let's say I want to go to the gym every weekday. So that's gonna be Monday to Friday at 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So we're gonna save, uh, dismiss, and there we go. As you can see here, my calendar right here, it says that I'm gonna go on the gym every day on the weekdays. And yeah, guys, as you see here, then it stops at Saturday. So that's pretty cool. Then after that, we can color code our, our gym or our event. Let's say I want to make a event at 7 p.m. Oh, there we go. It notifies me. So 7 p.m. I want an event here. I'm gonna call it dinner time. Then I want dinner time color to be red. Then there we go. As you can see here, dinner time is color coded to red. So it is a lot different than gym. So it's not gonna, look the same as gym. So it's gonna have its own personalized color. So it's easier to be distinct and unique. Then after that, using Google Calendar features, setting reminders, we can, do that again on create. Then we can go to reminder time. So let's say event or task or reminder. Let's say task. Let's say clean the carpet, something like that. Then after that, um, let's add it to our due date right here. Does not repeat. Let's say my task right here. So after this, I'm gonna have my task here, which is clean the carpet before dinner time. Then after that, we're just gonna click on the task here. So as you see here on my task list, there is one called clean the carpet at 5:30 p.m. So that's really nice feature to use. Then after that, we can go to the other calendars on the left sidebar, which is here. My calendars, other calendars. You can just click on it right here. Holiday in the Philippines. We can create a new calendar. So let's say this is my personal calendar right here. That I want a more professional calendar. We can make a new one. So create a new calendar. Let's say work calendar. There we go. Then Philippine start the time. Then create the calendar right there. There we go. My calendar is created. Create calendar. Then after that, we're just gonna go back and we're gonna click on work. I see I have a work calendar right here. So you see here I have another calendar here that we can use. So if we um, deselect this and just add work, so that is our work. Let's say you work here. Then we're going to deselect it. It's gonna be gone. If I just put my personal time here, that will be my personal time. So that this will be labeled as my, personal calendar. Then if I want my work, schedule, I can just put it there. I can just turn it on here. Or if I want to see my task, I can also look at it like that. Now let's say I want a Google Meet right on my work time. We can edit here. Then after that, we can add a Google Meet configuration. Then that is our Google Meet here. We're just gonna join here. Then as you can see here, it has my Google Meet and stuff. So I can just save that. Let's say this time I can just click on this calendar and hop on a Google Meet. So that's really nice feature. Now my tips and tricks for Google Calendar. Here are some pro tips to make the most out of Google Calendar. Use calendar shortcuts like C to quickly create a new event. Let's say C. There we go. New event. You just press letter C. Then enable notifications, which I have. Then after that, you can set goals also. So when you put on create right here, you can select goal. I can't see any goal here, but I think you can see skip yung goal, skip goal. And you can also switch to the schedule view. I don't have the schedule view here. How do I? Now let's talk about some common issues faced with Google Calendar, how to fix them. So we have a problem of not receiving event notifications. Solution is check your notification settings in both the app and the browser. Then the other problem is event not syncing across devices. Ensure that you are signed in with the same Google account on all your devices. Make sure your phone, laptops, or whatever is connected on your Google account so it will sync better. Then calendar clutter. My solution, that's use very good very good color coding so you wouldn't get confused, and also separate it by calendars so you can like separate work and separate your personal stuff at the same time. Now there's some Google Calendar alternatives if you want to use. There's Microsoft Outlook Calendar. So we have Outlook Calendar right here. You can use this one if you want. So this Outlook calendar here, you can use this one as an alternative. There's also Apple Calendar if you prefer to be inside the Apple ecosystem. That would be nice too. Then after that, we have Fantastical. Fantastical. It's a it's a more of a premium calendar if you don't mind paying for more features and stuff like that. That's a really nice alternative also. So Google Calendar is a powerful tool to stay organized and manage your time efficiently. It's free, easy to use, and packed with features that can help both individuals and businesses. If you're not already using it, you can give it a try right here. As you see here, it's very easy. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more productivity tips. And thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.